Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I treat my dry matted hair using the herbal oil treatment. So unlike me, I did not touch my hair for a whole week. So you guys know I always like to remoisturize my hair in between the week, but this week I did not touch my hair at all. Not because I wanted to neglect my hair, but because I was so busy. I didn't have time for my hair. So I didn't even lose my scrunchie. I just left my hair like that. I didn't touch my hair at all. But to my surprise, my hair still feels moisturized, though my roots are matted and dry, of course, because the shedded hairs and the new growth are all at that spot. So touching my hair still feels soft, like I'm showing you guys, and my hair does not even feel dirty. I mean, I don't have any dandruff or anything like that, but my roots are matted. As you can see, my roots are matted. So to tackle that, I'm going to be using my hairspray. So in here I have 4 herbs: fenugreek, cloves, rosemary, and also hibiscus. So that is what I have in my spray bottle. So I also use plain water, so you can use plain water if you don't have any herbal spray. So what I do is just to spray that lightly into my hair and then work it in. Then I go from the roots to try and separate my hair. So I don't like to use combs here because from that root you cannot actually get your hair very detangled. So but if you want to use a comb, of course you can use a wide tooth comb. Then you have to start from the ends of your hair, then work your way up to the roots of your hair. So but for me, I'm using my fingers. So in order to remove all the shedded hairs, I have to go from the roots, because the ends of my hair are not matted, they are not tangled. But from the roots, just like I said, I have shedded hairs there and then the new growths, and combined together for a whole week, you're definitely going to have some matting going up there. So I apply my herbal oil treatment. So the benefits of this is that it nourishes the scalp and hair. It helps to repair damaged hair, reduces dandruff and itchiness, while also stimulating hair growth. So I just use my hands and finger detangle, and I continue to do that until I'm able to successfully run my fingers through my hair without any bumps on the way. So each time I try to make sure that I don't have any knots. As you can see, I'm using my thumb to separate them. So my fingers are kind of acting like a parting comb and a white tooth comb at the same time. It works for me though. So I keep doing that, running my hands through my hair until I feel that it's properly detangled. Then I twist that back into my twist. I love to put my hair in twists because this is how I'm going to be washing my hair. So after applying the oil and detangling my hair, I twist this section and I put it up in a bantu knot. So this is going to keep my hair stretched. So when I want to wash my hair, I'm going to let it down. So it's very important to work in sections, guys, because I can't imagine losing the whole of my hair all at once and then trying to do this step, because it's going to be too much for me to handle. My hair is full and it's going to be difficult for me to go through each of my hair strands when I'm trying to do my hair all at once. Doing it this way is very beneficial for me. It helps me to work on each section per time and to make sure that the herbal treatment is being circulated properly on every section. So this has helped me to prevent excessive breakage. But if you can handle your hair all at once, by all means do it, if you can do that. But I can't handle my hair all at once, so working in section is a thing for me. And of course, I like to apply the herbal oil to my edges and every corner of my hair and twist that back up. So while applying your oil, don't forget your edges, don't forget the ends of your hair more, especially because those are the oldest part of your hair. You don't want to leave that out. So whichever part you are having any problem, maybe alopecia, or you're having any issue at all, that is where you should majorly concentrate your application of your herbal oil. As you can see, my hair feels detangled, like it's different from the way I started it, of course. So my hair is well detangled, and I'm just going to leave my hair like this. I'm going to cover it up with a plastic bag because, of course, you guys know there is no treatment without heat on my hair, because my hair is low porosity. So if I don't apply heat to it, that oil is just going to be sitting on my hair strand. So in other words, I'll be wasting my oil. I like to do this, cover it with a plastic cap. And if I am in a hurry like I am today, I'm going to be using my steaming cap to make this faster, because I just want to do this step for 10 minutes and just go ahead to shampoo my hair. So this is my steaming cap, and you guys, I did a review of this cap when I got it, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box so you can see that. And so I'm just going to cover my hair up with this, leave it for about 10 minutes, and I'm good to go and wash my hair. But some days when I'm not in a hurry, I can just leave just the plastic bag in my hair and just carry it for a couple of hours before washing it out. But today I'm in a hurry, so I'm just going to do this as quick as possible. If you're just tuning in my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a huge thumbs up. As you can see, these are the shaded I got from the whole process. Of course, there are going to be a few strands of breakage, but more of the shaded hairs. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.